Hello and welcome to week 13 of JOU317. There's some things going on here, but the biggest elements are continuing your one major project, semester-long project, and then a significant other one. So you should be working on your final resume. Hopefully getting near to finalizing it, working in all your links and your images and your samples page and your color scheme and navigation and so on. There's no intermediate due dates now. So if you have problems or questions or want to show me something, you need to let me know. I'm happy to work with you. If you get it done a little early, then I can even look at it in advance. I can help you to fine tune it. More about that getting done early in just a moment. Also, you've got the Dreamweaver project with all the added complications that this strange semester brings, and maybe not having your own copy of Dreamweaver. Hopefully you're working through that, learning as you go, reading the extensive notes, watching the videos. So you're working on that in the meantime too. But this week in particular, we have a special note I want to make sure you see and watch about the final exam. My decisions about how we're going to do the final exam. As it says right here in the note here, I'm extending the deadline on Dreamweaver project and the resume project through the end of what would have been the final exam period. So the final exam essentially is finishing those things. We have a presentation, including slides from the presentation, on publishing your website. So you want to put it online. There isn't any activity directly associated with these, but this information is all involved in the somewhat shorter Quiz 8 study guide. Also, you'll see information in that Quiz 8 study guide from Dreamweaver and a little bit from the banner exercise from last week. Excuse me. Sorry, I just had to get a drink of water. This So You want to put online, publishing your website, is also associated with the Launch Your Website with Azure Extra Credit section, which is down here. If you choose to try this extra credit, let me warn you, as I do in other instructions and so on, that or doing that in this video. And these videos, by the way, or these files, these links, are not me. This is stuff provided by the college, and FileZilla is a program you could use to do it. Accessory program for uploading your files. This stuff has been troublesome for some students in the past, so I really don't think you should focus on this. If you get ahead, you get everything done, you got plenty of time, you want to try doing this, great. But make this a last thing to do, and don't get bogged down in this possible extra credit of launching your website with Azure, unless you've got everything else done. Okay, so that you'll hear that mentioned in this presentation. Social media and video embeds, again, no activities associated with them, except you're going to need this stuff for your resume. Resume final tips, again, no other drop boxes, only one drop box this week. No other drop boxes for any assignments, but it's important information as you're finalizing your resume. And we do have a study guide, shorter than usual, which will be due based on the things that I mentioned. And then there's the links for Azure here. So that's the week. Not a bad week at all. If you've got a little behind, you got a little extra breathing room now to get things back on track. Or if you're on track, you've got plenty of time to get things just right.